Rain God. Rain God. DDR4, your RAM DDR4 now.
Okay.
Advanced DDR5 2GB.
Okay.
And
Okay.
3 monitors supportable and 1080p.
Okay.
Normal DDR3 ले तो 720p, this one 1080p supportable.
Okay. So SMPS Corsair 500 VS 500 Pro Series HDMI port H510 motherboard MSI 10th generation i5 LGA 1200. This only the problem is the chipset there. I cannot change the other
Yeah, change, sir.
because AMD if you use
No, you see features, huh? 10 generation supportable, next 11 generation supportable.
that is more than enough.
5 years all processors coming supportable, sir.
Okay. So GeForce GT 710
DDR5.
NVIDIA DDR5. Gaming XPG GameX T30 DDR4 memory. So when it will come DDR5 memory? I think next
10
year
years,
it will come,
10
right?
years.
10 years. 8 GB 3200 MHz supports.
3200 megahertz. And SSD with heatsink.
SSD with
Heatsink.
heatsink. Okay. Advanced.
And NVMe series 256 GB and 5 years warranty.
5 years warranty. Okay. So the price wise. So cabinet,
Cabinet you choose.
motherboard, processor, memory, what is?
Yes.
Okay. So what is waiting? SSD card is waiting, huh?
No, SSD all are done now.
Okay. Monitor,
Hard disk, SSD,
keyboard, mouse.
keyboard mouse.
Graphics.
Keyboard mouse for that, I show you keyboard mouse. Zebronics, Foxit, Dell and gaming lighting. Okay. Which one you want?
So if I add a Dell laptop, same model will come, huh?
Monitor, no, this one gaming series monitor, full high monitor.
Huh.
I show you monitor, after you select Dell, Lenovo, what type you need.
No,
okay?
I want the same full HD monitor.
No, all are full HD. But your monitor this type. Brand
No,
LG, Dell.
but the finishing is good. Right?
bezel-less, na?
That-
Without frame. Okay, I have.
That is finishing. That's why I came.
Go for Lenovo monitor, better.
Okay.
Lenovo 1080p and full glass.
Okay.
I show you monitor after you select, okay?
Cabinet. ஏங்கப்பா ரன்னிங் ஃபுல்லாக வாட்டர் சப்ளையாக இருக்குது HDMI சப்போர்ட் இல்லை மானிட்டர்
इंसा एक 24 मॉनिटर की पड़ी है 12 का एक बेस बिना वो पड़ी है एसएल जी अवेलेबल है और बेनक्यू भी अवेलेबल है मॉनिटर
बेनक्यू
या बेसलेस बेनक्यू बेटर
because if I select Dell monitor and Dell keyboard mouse, that quality wise some looks
better, sir.
All it's like
Dell
a company
Inside
item
not,
now.
no, Dell Inside not home service. Lenovo, BenQ, Samsung and Acer
Okay.
and LG.
Okay.
4 brands home service warranty. 3 years.
Okay.
Any problem you call 24 inside home service.
Okay.
Warranty wise better, sir.
Okay. Nowadays it is very difficult to select the computer material. 5 years, 10 years before and all, only 1 or 2 option is there. you can easily go and select. Nowadays it is very difficult. So even your RAM itself, if hard disk RAM
All
is
are
very
advanced item. You use 5 years.
okay.
5 years no changes, sir. All are advanced
You have to spend at least 1 day, half day to select all this product. 730, right? How much that one? 730?
Same model 730 na? 730 price like 6,000.
Double rate, huh?
Double it. Series only changes. All
Same
are
2 GB.
2 GB but only for 3 change. 730, 1030.
Okay.
1030 inside same 2 GB DDR4 but 1030 price 7,000.
7,000, huh?
Next 1050 Ti. This one 1050 Ti all are same DDR5 lekin GB4.
Okay.
So price only for 16,500.
Oh. So we'll pray for reduce the GPU price another 2-3 months, right?
So almost 5 months.
5 months. Okay. That mining guys and all, they are taking because of that graphics card increase. Okay.
3090 this time price 190.
Okay.
Real price
Suppose
120.
if I motherboard I also have a graphics card, means we don't need to buy this one.
5 better.
Okay.
Lenovo है सर, Lenovo बड़ी नहीं बड़ी है 24 बता रहा मैं आजू रही Lenovo बड़ी है सर बड़ी है
இல்லை 2 ஃபேன் இருக்குது 3 ஃபேனு இது செலக்ட் பண்ணலாமா? நல்லா இருக்குது லுக்கு. ஸோ கேபிள் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு செப்பரேட்டாக வருது, எல்லாமே உள்ளே இருக்குது, நல்லாயிருக்கு. RGB ஃபேன் சிம்பிளாக இருக்குது, நச்சுன்னு இருக்குது. பட்டன்ஸ்லாம் எங்கே இருக்கா? இல்லை பட்டன்ஸை காணும். ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடில் யூஎஸ்பிலாம் வராதுங்க. ஓ
button, start button, USB port all.
ஓகே.
See sir, some cabinet see demo this 3.0.
ஓ இங்கே இருக்கா?
And 2.0. In color you will changes.
Okay.
Start button.
ஓகே.
After you use the liquid cooler, there is space. Liquid cooler, extra fan.
ஸோ அந்த கேபிள் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு செப்பரேட்டாக பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி டைப் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க.
All are set back side.
ஓகே
Only for motherboard and CPU cable.
ஓகே ஓகே.
All
இட்ஸ்
are
குட்.
set back side fitting.
ஓகே ஓகே.
And monitor this one. Lenovo monitor for MP होता है इंसान पर.
No, LG is good, right?
LG you want LG? Okay.
I look
LG, okay,
looks
Samsung
wise
का बोलो.
looks wise
Samsung
great.
LG का बोलो. अब खोलो मजा आओगे Lenovo LG के लिए. Okay, give LG sir. Cabinet.
Shop name வந்து
IT Gain Company.
IT Gain SP Road. Okay, Bangalore.
Cabinet this is okay na?
It's good. How much that cabinet?
Deep 2 brand, model number 40.
So, motherboard என்னென்ன ஃபீச்சர் இருக்கு? Core boost, DDR4 boost, lighting, generation 4, processor, AI, cooling, IO. இதில் USB 3.0 வருது இல்லை?
3.0 and 2.0 both are available.
ஓகே.
24 inches में LG bezel-less की वाली पड़ी है. लेट है क्यों मॉडल है?
ஸோ இதே சேம் இதில் வந்து பிக் சைஸ் ஸ்டாண்டர்டு போயிருந்தோம்னா எவ்வளோ என்ன ப்ரைஸ் வரும்?
Same model big size na?
Big size.
Yeah, big size available. But this motherboard price only for 6,000. Big starting 8,500,
8500.
9,000.
So difference on this RAM slot.
Only for 2 RAM slot extra.
That's all.
Performance and all are same.
Okay. And the RAM slot காக மறுபடியும் 2000. Okay, it's good. ரெண்டு ஸ்லாம் ஸ்லாட்டுக்கு ஒரு 16 GB போட்டால் பரவாயில்லன்னு யோசிச்சோம். Intel Core supports 11th generation Intel Core processor, chipset H510.
एक डेल कीबोर्ड माउस को दबाना पड़ेगा डेल कीबोर्ड माउस.
Last 2-3 times, last computer also I came for AMD process. Finally I will change that Intel. This also same way.
कीबोर्ड माउस.
Again, same model you have Dell monitor, right?
हाँ monitor but price अच्छा रहेगा almost 12,000, 11,500. Same bezel less and same this time you want with bezel and price less 9,900.
Oh, okay. LG is fine, okay. LG monitor is good. Optical mouse, right?
Total 56,600 including that. And for cabinet changes, okay? Like all are same.
Okay.
Cabinet and SSD 300 rupee difference and monitor 1,500 rupee difference, okay? Monitor I give this one, bezel less, system less.